Alright, YouTube, so we here putting on the side skirt for my boy Jay. Make sure y'all follow him on IG and on YouTube, J_TV1. So we got this little side skirt installed here going on. As you see, we've got the car lifted up on jack stands. I've already got this one done for the most part. Pretty easy process. The only thing is they don't send the side skirts pre-drilled, so you got to drill your own holes in here. So what I did was I measured it out, took a tape ruler, measured it out, made sure I have all my holes even on the back side. Put them in probably about a ½ an inch from the back. All right, you'll drill the holes, line it up on the car, and then I drilled the holes through the side skirts to make sure that I had them all in the perfect spot. And then you get some screws. You need some self-taping screws like these. Got these from Lowe's. We use the 1 inch, which works the best because they go in not too long, perfect size actually. So we use these to go in. I just use the drill them in through the pre-drilled holes, and then they go up there. As you can see here on the bottom, we've got the screws in on the bottom down here. I did 8 screws just to be safe, so pretty secure. It's not gonna come off. All right, but make sure you guys check out this wrap, man. It's probably my favorite, one of my favorite wraps for sure. We'll get a little bit better footage as soon as I'm done with the car. But y'all stay tuned, we'll be done in a few minutes. All right, so we got the holes drilled in. Hit the second one here. I would use a little small drill bit. I used the 532 drill bit. All right. Next step is to line it up with the car and drill the holes in the car through the holes here, just to make sure we have them all in the perfect spot. Should be right back. All right, we got them both installed here. That's how they look on this side. We got the other side up here. I'll have them pull out and get a picture with some video in the sunlight. And line up both cars up real quick, but it wasn't too hard to do. His car was lower, so we had to, I don't have a low profile jack, so that was the hardest part. But the installing was pretty easy, man. Just pretty much screw them in. Hope y'all like it, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.
I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my shot with me. All the smoke in this air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my strap with me. All that smoke in the air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. They swear that they bout it like Master P. Run that check up, no flex up, them rats with me. Got her all on my dick, know this shit ain't free. She said that they gas, cause she wrapped the weed. I feel like I'm Chester, I'm Bomber Cheese. Try to chase me a bag, now it's after me. No, we not the same, boy, you out my league. We zip to the zoo, y'all a different breed. See, I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so